Ever pondered over which programming language to select for your next project? With a plethora of languages out there, it can be daunting to choose. But worry not, this video will guide you through some of the most popular languages in use today and their ideal use cases. First, let's talk about Python. Widely appreciated for its readability and simplicity, Python is a versatile language with extensive libraries. It's the go-to choice for tasks ranging from web development to artificial intelligence, machine learning, and even automation. The Python community is vibrant and supportive, making it easier to find solutions to coding problems. Switching gears to JavaScript, this language is a powerhouse for both front-end and back-end web development. Its asynchronous programming capabilities offer a seamless user experience, and it's the backbone of game development with frameworks like React and Node.js. Additionally, its wide browser support and dynamic ecosystem make JavaScript an essential tool in a developer's kit. Moving on to Java, it's the language of choice for enterprise-level applications and Android app development. Renowned for its platform independence and object-oriented nature, Java boasts strong community support, making it a reliable and enduring language. Next, let's delve into C++. If you're into game development, system programming, or working with performance-critical applications, C++ is your language. It offers high performance and the ability to manipulate memory at a low level, making it a versatile tool for developers. Lastly, for those interested in mobile app development, there's Swift for iOS and Kotlin for Android. These languages have a modern syntax and are specifically designed for mobile development. They have good community support, making them ideal for developers venturing into the mobile app world. In summary, each programming language has its strengths and ideal use cases. Python excels in areas like web development, data science, and AI. JavaScript is the king of web development and game programming. Java is a reliable choice for enterprise applications and Android app development. C++ is perfect for performance-critical tasks, game development, and system programming. And finally, Swift and Kotlin are dedicated to mobile app development for iOS and Android respectively. Remember, the right choice of language largely depends on the specific needs and goals of your project. So reflect on what you want to achieve and then select the language that best fits your plan. Happy coding!